Hello friends, welcome to Eid-E-Milad-Un-Nabi special. Today on the channel we are actually making something very special. So God bless you all immensely. Ameen, Summa Ameen. Let's get started. Hello friends, I am Gul Rajput and you are watching my channel. मैं फिर हाजिर हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में. हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड नमस्ते. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग सुपर और आपकी दुआ से आई एम डूइंग सुपर फैंटास्टिक. लेट्स क्विकली गेट स्टार्टेड विद द रेसिपी. You can see all the ingredients for this recipe. So I have taken over here 1 cup paneer grated and then 1 cup mawa or khava, and sugar I have taken is 1/4 cup. It's an unsweetened mawa. Okay, अगर आप मीठा वाला लेते तो शक्कर उसके हिसाब से लेना. 1/4 cup I have taken Roohafza and 1/4 cup I have taken the milk powder. So this is a Roohafza की बर्फ़ी, बहुत ही मज़ेदार, जिसको आप अपने तरीके से डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. So here I have taken a pan in which I have added right now 1 tablespoon ghee. In that I added this mawa, और मावा को बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपको इसमें भून लेना है. It should become a smooth paste. Okay, and then you can add your mawa, khava that is. वो डाल देना है. And I have added another tablespoon of ghee. तो बस इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से भुनना है आपने. ऑल राइट, मध्यम आंच पे, मीडियम फ्लेम पे आपको इसे भुनना है. अगर आप इसको छोड़ दोगे तो ये साइड से लग जाएगा. तो बस भूनते रहिए टिल यू नो द मावा एंड द पनीर becomes a smooth paste. It's almost 4 to 5 minutes. This has become quite smooth now. Okay, and now we are going to add the milk powder, which is 1/4 cup. And again you need to saute this for at least 2 to 3 minutes, then add another tablespoon of ghee. So till now we have used 3 tablespoon ghee. Okay, again you need to saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add over here 1/4 cup sugar, because we are also going to add 1/4 cup Roohafza. वो तो sweet होता है. So be careful how much sugar you are adding. If you're taking sweet khava or mawa, then again you need to understand how much sugar you have to add. Again you need to saute this till the sugar completely gets dissolved in that mixture. Once that happens, you have to add your Roohafza. Oh my God, friends! Once you add that Roohafza, look at the color of the Roohafza. Wow! I think that should be the dark magenta pink, I think. Look at that. Oof. It was a pleasure making this burfi. Oof. In the same way, you know, on the channel I have got beetroot burfi. Even while making that, I really enjoyed. I will leave the link here. Do check it out. And plus on the channel there is also very delicious pinata Roohafza cake. वो भी आपको बनाना चाहिए, बहुत ही बेहतरीन रेसिपी है. उसका भी लिंक मैं यहाँ देती हूँ स्क्रीन पे. डू चेक इट आउट. कुकिंग इज़ थेरेप्यूटिक फ्रेंड्स. यू शुड इन्जॉय वॉट एवर यू आर मेकिंग. बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स आ रहे हैं, सो कोई भी एक फेस्टिवल में ज़रूर इसे बनाना. ऑल राइट, नाउ after sorting, after adding Roohafza, we sauteed this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And saute करते करते आप देखोगे कि it starts leaving the sides of the vessel. At that point of time, switch off the gas, और जो भी डिश में आपको इसको सेट करना है, grease that dish and pour whole mixture into that and allow it to cool down completely. Please note, after adding Roohafza, sauteing it for 3 to 4 minutes, it will take another 8 minutes to come to that stage. And now I am ready to set this. So I've taken a glass dish, and you can take any glass dish, aluminum plate, steel plate, any plate that you have. Just grease it. And this particular dish is from Borosil. If you people are interested in purchasing this, then it's a very good option if you're making burfi at home. Okay, this is a new dish of mine. I just washed it, could not get rid of that label, so just ignore that. Okay, and I'm just going to grease this now with some ghee, and then I will set the burfi, and then you decorate it the way you want. If you like my decoration, then follow that. It was a real pleasure to do that. Set it very well. Keep the thickness that you want. This is the thickness I require, and now we will decorate. Friends, I used crushed dry rose petals and cherries, which I sliced them into rounds. Like me, you are your own boss, so do any decoration that you like. So if there's anything that you have liked in today's video, then don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe, be happy, keep smiling, good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye. Eid-Ul-Nabi Mubarak to all of you, my dear friends. Do keep me in your prayers.